Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Celia, and I'm one of the speech and language therapists working in Ealing in the SLT team. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to make an interactive story. Interactive stories bring books to life. We can use toys and household items to support our child's understanding of the story and to make the story more engaging and interesting for your child. The first tip to make the story fun and exciting is by using an animated voice, also gestures and facial expressions. Making these small changes to how we read the story can support your child to pay attention for longer. It can also support their understanding of the story, such as how the characters might be feeling. The second tip is to use things from around your house to bring the story to life. Follow your child's interests by choosing items that they enjoy or by picking a story that they're familiar with. This story can be in English or in your home language. By using props, we are using total communication. This means that we're using both spoken and visual information to support the child's understanding of new words. For example, if the story talks about fruit, we can show the child an example of maybe some real fruit that we have around the house or some toy food that you might already have. The final tip is to not worry about having new and exciting props. It's all about using what we have at home and being creative. For example, you could shake a bag full of lentils to make the sound of rainfall. Let's try reading an interactive story together.
The little caterpillar was very hungry. He started to look for some food. He ate through one apple, but he was still very hungry.
You can also follow the story in your home language. Here I am talking in French while reading an English book.
Il a mangé le coucan. Il est devenu un beau papillon.
And that's all for today. We talked about how you can make storytime more interactive and fun for your child, while also creating opportunities for them to learn about new words.
If you have any questions, or you live or work in Ealing, you can contact us via our advice line. Scroll down and you will find our contact details underneath this video. Thank you for watching. I hope that you found these tips helpful and good luck with using them at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content and share it with others who may benefit from this information.